Today to introduce a 8x4 flatbed truck chassis. Front, left side 45, right side 45. Chassis, front side, rear side, left rear side 45, right rear side 45. Dongfeng 8x4 flatbed truck is a transportation vehicle equipped with Weikai 375 HP engine, manual 12-speed transmission. The chassis is 10 meters long. The modified size can reach 7.5 meters. Its sturdy frame and wide tires ensure the carrying capacity, make the transportation more safe and reliable. The chassis adopts Dongfeng flathead row half cab. Overrun height can reach 445 millimeters. The axle carrying capacity can reach 30 t. Minimum ground clearance is 258 millimeters. The chassis with superior configuration. It can be converted into flatbed, cargo, truck crane, etc. It can also meet many complex transportation needs. It has been providing support in logistics and rescue work. When purchasing this vehicle, pay attention to the engine, transmission system, frame and tires, and other key components of the quality. Regular maintenance of the vehicle to ensure its long-term use and stable operation.